Today is pizza day. I told my wife I'm gonna make pizza. And she goes, great. I said, how about we make pizza out of cauliflower? And she goes, no, gross. So let's start with the Keto Crust. 0 sugar, low carbs. This is cauliflower. I use a cheese grater to grate it up. This is about 2 cups. It only takes about 3 minutes to get all of the moisture out. But the question is, how does it smell? It stinks. So I keep on moving this around and it's drying up. So now I'm going to take an egg and crack it in a separate bowl. I'm adding a cup of Parmesan cheese and mixing it all up. I'm adding some oregano to the cauliflower. It seems to give it really good flavor and some color. Let the cauliflower cool for just a few minutes and then add it to the mix and then mix it all up. Break out the parchment paper, and remember, this is different than wax paper. Add your mix to the top of the parchment paper that's on a pizza pan. Use your hands to form it into a pizza crust and put it in the oven, 400 degrees, for 20 minutes. Now the best part is the keto pizza sauce. Get yourself some bacon grease and put it in a pan. If you don't have bacon grease, olive oil works just as well. Dice up some onions, put it in the pot, and brown them. After the onions are browned, it's time to put in either diced tomatoes or tomato paste, whatever you want to make your pizza sauce. I only used about 1/4 to 1/2 a can of tomatoes. So let's go ahead and spice it up with some oregano. I'm using garlic powder and then some salt, so I guess you can use garlic salt if you want to. A dash of pepper, and of course, some chili powder. Add in some hot water to thin out the mixture a little bit. Italian seasoning if you have it. Cover and simmer until your pizza crust comes out, so about 5 minutes. And let's check the pizza crust. It looks pretty good, but we still need another 5 minutes. Time to make some bacon. Well, it looks like the crust is done, so let's go ahead and add some apple cider vinegar to our pizza sauce and 5 drops of stevia. So now I have bacon, pepperoni, and pizza sauce. Now it's time to put it all together. The dogs are waiting for their slice. Now, of course, you can add whatever toppings you want. This just seems to be perfect for us. Pepperoni and bacon. And the oven is still on at 400 degrees, and we're going to bake this for only 10 more minutes. If you like your cheese a little bit darker, I'll just throw it in for another 5 minutes, but this is perfect for me. Doesn't that look amazing? Let's go ahead and garnish it just a little bit with some cheddar cheese. And then I'm going to rip the parchment paper so the pizza is on the pizza pan. Makes it a lot easier to cut. $1,000,000 question, how does it taste? It honestly tastes like a real pizza. It is so good. Being on a keto diet doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice any delicious foods. Look at that. It looks like real bread, real crust. Look, even the dog's like, that looks like real bread, real crust. And they want some, but no, they don't get none. It is so incredibly good. You gotta try this.
The official taste test.
Because if you like it, then it's amazing.
Amazing.
It's amazing. Well, you know, if my wife likes it, everyone will like it because she's a picky eater. Anyways, hope this helped you out. Remember, going keto or sugar-free doesn't mean you can't eat fun food. You can. Anyways, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. And are you on keto, sugar-free? Do you have any good recipes? Post them down below. Let me know. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.